Green Room. We're at 420 Niagara, 420 Expo, 420 Niagara Expo. Green Room's here. I'm with my co-host Derek. He's had his sativa. We're hitting our next bunch of...
We celebrated 420 outside. Now we're back, back in motion here. We're going to be here till 8.
You hear that? He just went, as some girls walked by. Who do we have with us now? We have John from Ryot.
How you doing?
Hey, welcome. Welcome to the Green Room, John.
Thanks for having me.
I know what Ryot is. I have a humidor from them, right?
Yes, you do.
It's really nice. It's really cool.
Thank you so
it's
much.
a humidor, but for weed.
Yes, it is.
It has a tray. You pull it out for your...
Nice.
What's it called?
Rolling tray?
Yeah, but you pull out the
keef
collector.
Yeah.
Yes, it comes with a keef collector.
Goes through the screen down into the
that's
bottom.
the one I have.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Jackie, you get all the top gadgets.
She gets the good stuff.
Listen, you just got felt up by Terry.
I knew I should have stayed.
John.
Hey, I apologize.
Okay, tell us what Ryot is and what they do in the industry.
Well, we are a premium quality accessories company. We have a full spectrum of products, right from the one hooter up to your number
Hitter
one.
or hooter?
Hooter? Hitter? What do you want to call it?
I don't know. I like that it's called a hooter, though.
I call them a hooter. Some people call them a one-hitter.
I have 2 hooters.
Or
But
a
anyhow.
bat. I've been to Hooters before.
Oh, I love the Smoisters at Hooters.
Yeah.
You ever had those?
No.
Oh, they're freaking delicious. I have a Hooters outfit. I wonder if I should wear that in the Green Room.
Yeah, I think you should.
I still have it. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, John.
That's okay. It's okay. Just
Back to your wide range of Hooters.
So anyways,
in Whoville.
we have a lot of stuff. We have a grinder line that's called Canistore Grinders.
Your stuff's really nice.
thank you very much.
The humidor thing I mentioned. That's a high-end accessory.
Yeah,
Right.
Premium quality stuff. The co-owner of the company is a good friend of mine. I'm lucky enough to be in the industry with him. We've been doing it for over 20 years with our products, and now that Canada is up and running and flourishing, we're up here too. We're sold in a lot of dispensaries, head shops, what have you. You guys know the game.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have this green goddess, which I actually have. I got it in an Indigenous cup in the summer.
Yes.
And I've had it before that. I've seen it around a lot of places. It was for a charity thing that I bought it. What is Green Goddess? Why do you guys have it, and what is it? Tell me about
Well,
it.
Green Goddess Cleaner is a Canadian product as well. It's the proper cleaner for any glass cleaning needs in this industry.
Because we're inhaling the stuff, right?
Well, that's just it. We've got an ISO-based cleaner here. It's environmentally friendly, bacterial-free. It has a solution in it that brightens your glass, and I mean, this stuff strips and cleans real fast with very little product. It lasts a long time. You can reuse it, and we have a full line coming out too with a 710 cleaner. We've got cleaning kits, we've got claws, we've got all kinds of cool stuff. And we are a distribution company here in Ontario, and we're servicing the industry right now.
Nice.
What's your number one product? What's your thing?
With Ryot or with Green
with
Goddess?
Ryot.
With Ryot, the number one product probably would be our V2 grinder.
V2 grinder.
Yeah.
Why? What's it? Why? What's so special?
It's grinds with ease, and it's
V2 grinder.
lifetime
It
guarantee.
doesn't get stuck with all the gunk.
Doesn't get stuck. with
Lifetime
the gum.
guarantee.
How do you
Yes.
do that?
How do we do what?
Make it not get stuck.
It comes with design and
Proprietary.
yes, yeah.
Okay.
The owner of the company.
We don't want you to give away the trick.
Yeah, he works on things firsthand.
Yeah.
He uses a team, but he's the head of the team. And with every product that gets coming out, I mean, we're smokers.
I was just going to ask you, sorry, do you consume cannabis?
Absolutely.
Mr. John from Ryot?
Absolutely.
Yes? And he smiled. I like
Sometimes,
that.
Yeah.
I had a grinder and it got so gunked up that I couldn't even open it up anymore.
Yeah.
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 And I don't like that. So
I don't like that. So now he just uses scissors.
Scissors and a shot glass.
Pretty much.
Yeah, old school. But
We have a lot of shit at Cannabis Wiki, but we don't have a grinder. Can you
Right.
believe that? We don't have a
Oh.
grinder.
You don't have a grinder, eh?
We don't.
What do you say? I happen to bring a special edition just for you today, miss.
Really?
Yeah, this is from Ryot to you.
Oh,
And, that's our new Playboy collab version right there.
Oh my God, I love this. I will
And,
do a sort of special little photo.
Cracker
Thank you
open.
for this.
Unboxing.
Thank you so much.
I can do a
That's-
special
I
thank
would
you for the
appreciate that.
Playboy grinder.
right.
None of
Yeah.
my PG shit I have to do normally, John.
So-
And we try and keep it friendly.
So, yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
you'll wear your Hooters uniform while you
While I grind.
while you
While you
grind
Yeah,
like a
while I
Playboy
grind.
grinder.
Yes.
Currently, I'm taking a dance class where I'm learning to whine.
Ooh.
Well.
I think that might be some viral content.
Yeah,
Once
I'm me
again.
breaking my hip. This is really cool. Oh, it's
All right.
really nice.
So yeah.
This
That's
is really nice.
One of the models that are out. We put out 4 grinders with Playboy. We did some rolling trays, some 510 Verb batteries.
You guys are
And,
big time.
Yeah, we're big time, bro. We've been doing this for over 20 years, and for smokers, by smokers. That's our logo.
Nice.
For
I
smokers,
love
by
that.
smokers. What does
Absolutely.
Ryot stand for? I'm taking this off.
Because we had to start in the Prohibition days.
Yep.
Roll your own tobacco.
Roll
what
your
it
own
stands for.
tobacco.
We've now converted it a little bit to roll your own tokes,
Mm.
but that's a little secret that not too many people know about.
How did? Thanks. We like secrets on the green room. How did Ryot get in? Like, how did you guys just? It's just a product on that you wanted to add to the collection
The
or something.
cleaner
Yeah,
product?
the cleaner.
Cleaner product's a totally different company.
Oh, separate.
I am a
Entrepreneur.
I'm a multi-use entrepreneur.
I like that.
People use me to sell products in this industry, and
You want to move units?
you want to move units, you call John.
You call John from Ryot.
That's
Or,
right.
No, you're not John from Ryot.
I'm John from John.
John
Right.
from John.
He's a hired assassin.
Listen,
Right,
you just handed me a Playboy grinder. Like, I
Yeah.
guess you know me. Like, you know your
Yeah,
audience.
Yeah.
Like, you know your customer.
Yes.
There
Right.
you
Yes,
go.
we do.
Oh, this is really nice. I felt like a pull all of a sudden. This is a nice grinder.
There's a magnetic piece
This is
to
a
hold your lid
really
on. Yeah.
nice grinder.
It's got a key collector in the bottom as well.
Yeah, a little Playboy pick.
Pick for cleaning
Or for
or
strumming.
playing guitar.
Playing guitar.
will.
A little David Wilcox down by the fire.
Sure
like,
enough. Or some laying pipe.
Remember that song? Now you really know your audience.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. I love it. This is
Great.
really cool. Right before legalization, or I think it was my first maybe legalization party, I was gifted. That's when I was given a big Ryot package. Like, and there was
Yeah.
like a lot of very cool stuff in it,
Yeah.
and really nice. Like not the
Thank you.
regular stuff. It was
Thank
really really nice. It was a VIP package, and it
Yes.
definitely was.
And the guys are great for that. We know that marketing the product goes a long way, and especially through people like yourself.
What's
We do it. We play the field, and we bring on great products for the
Where can
consumers.
customers get the?
Yeah.
You know the.
where do we
That's right.
find you? Where do we get you though? I want to know that. Where's your what's your website or your socials?
We're
or-
on Ryot.com, of course.
Mhm.
Have you had trouble with
E-commerce.
social media? Did you guys have
Um,
an Instagram or a Facebook or a Twitter?
I have more trouble than the actual company does
Really?
themselves. Yeah, because I put come and buy this stuff, but they do it discreetly, and they don't get yanked too much.
Right.
Yeah.
That's brutal. We've talked to a lot of people today that have about how do we market and how do we go in the industry when social media is
Right.
right there and it's not
Right.
really allowing us to.
As long as you're not inviting people to buy something, I think is the loophole there. You have to promote it as an advertisement, but not of come and buy this from me.
Did Ryot have something on their line? Like everyone's talked about their hits, but did Ryot have something on their line of accessories that just never moved? People never wanted it or weren't interested in it?
Yeah.
Like,
of
did you have a
course.
flop, a hit, a
we,
miss?
We do all the time. All
Oh,
companies
really?
do. We call them 10 to 1s. So
that mean?
You have 10. You have a product that you'll sell 10 of to one of those products.
Oh,
So the
okay.
ones, and we usually stay on top of it. So we just get rid of stuff when it's not selling.
Right. What was the
and,
one? Can you tell us what was the one?
It would be like smaller bag lines,
Oh.
smaller pouches. The smell.
Okay,
the
like the
smell-proof
smell-proof stuff,
Yeah.
the smaller. Okay.
It'll go on display more so than get sold.
The smell-proof bags and like the fanny packs and the travel, travel types. That's hot. That's stuff
But
I see.
It's very hot right now, but we're so diverse in it. It's you got to find what the consumer's actually looking for now.
Like I have 2 smell-proof bags that I use as my I take them to events and expo,
Yeah.
like when I'm dressed nice. Like
Yeah.
I have 2 really. I have my casuals and I have my fancy ones. I actually tried to buy it. Oh, what is that?
Check this one out. You can feel free to open it up too if you'd like. It's that's our loaded crypto kit. So that's a smell-proof pouch, very versatile for the carry events
Loaded
like this.
Why the name crypto?
Just
Just
a name.
okay.
Yeah. All of our
Trending.
Yeah, it's trending. Yeah.
Wow.
So that one comes complete with your one hitter, a poker tool,
How do I-
a pack
oh.
of papers.
Just
and there's a spot for your lighter in there as well.
Look at all
so
this.
that's your complete kit. You just add weed and away you go.
Just add weed and off you go.
That's right.
One day I hope it comes with weed.
One day I hope it can come with
potentially,
weed.
if we get
Check
the right
it
collab
out,
going,
Derek.
it will. Check it out.
Yeah, Derek's working on some, right? You're going to change this industry.
Of course.
Of course I am.
We all are.
We all are.
We're changing it daily right
One
now.
high
It's
thought.
too new.
One high thought to the next. And
Yeah.
and I think by things like this, we're pushing
Absolutely.
boundaries and compliance.
Absolutely.
We're taking the cannabis conversations all over the place.
Right.
So yeah, that's how we change. That's how we. Do you want one?
Yeah, you know what? Like,
Tell
should've
us
brought
what.
the
for
black
me, I've been very conditioned, like from legacy time, like to not carry accessories, because if the police find accessories on you, then they're looking for the weed.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm more like, but I guess I should get out of that and
You
start.
should. Our whole thing was lockable.
Mm,
So any bag that was locked,
Right.
police cannot search you without a search warrant, and
I
that's
like
how
that.
we glided through it. Like
Mm.
I carry bags of dope in the back of my car.
right.
I
In
have
the
for
trunk.
years.
Right.
Yeah, and
Or the glove
always
box.
in a smell-proof bag, of course. We
Right.
carry bigger bags in different styles, so
Yeah,
They-
like for me, it's
they
like,
wouldn't detect
say
at
they
that point.
found, a pack of zigzags on you.
Then
Then they're
they're-
gonna start
they're
asking, "Where's the?"
poking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just like don't even want them poking.
yeah, I hear you.
You know what I mean? And it's like pack of zigzags is $1, so
Yeah.
I'll just buy one when I get where I'm going.
Right.
Really?
Yeah.
I've done that too.
Just because not like now it doesn't matter because but
Yeah.
Jackie, I didn't
Conditioned.
just start smoking weed yesterday.
It was the day before.
It was the day before.
So, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I hear you, man. I went through it too. Like I say, by the color of my hair, you can tell I've been around for a bit. I mean, I went through the whole legal system and shit too. So, sorry.
You're allowed to talk about
Okay, yeah. So,
we like those stories.
unfortunately, when I was younger, we got messing around and they didn't look lightly on the stuff. So,
No, exactly. And the barriers to entry is the people that have been around forever and that love weed and are passionate about
That's
it or
right.
whatever. Now we have all this because it wasn't so celebrated before
Right?
now.
And when I was younger and used to tell people, one day it's going to be legal, and they used to think I was a friggin' crackhead at that point. Like, what are you talking about?
Right.
You're crazy, and I'm just glad that my parents are still around to see this, because they're the generation that were always like, it's taboo.
That's how I was going to say.
Right.
My parents said with that
Right?
frying pan. This is your brain on drugs,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this is the Nancy
right.
Reagan whole thing.
Yeah.
Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, it's kind
Exactly.
of cool the way things have. I told a story today that when my husband received weed in the mail the first time, he cried. He couldn't believe how I went to jail for this, and now it's coming in my mailbox. Like the
Right?
post office is bringing it to me. Like,
Absolutely.
yeah, it's crazy.
I was getting weed in the mail, but it wasn't from the post office, Jackie.
No. Same here. And I mean, yeah, like we were growers and everything too coming up.
Is that how Ryot found you, or did you find Ryot?
Well, one of the owners is one of my best friends.
Okay.
So when we were done high school, he went through for business and things, and then he met up with the partner down in the States, and one thing led to another, and they came out with great products, and then it just evolved from there. And now they both live the lifestyle. This product is,
Awesome.
how they base their lives, and they supply it to the industry. We're sold in over 30 countries with Ryot.
Wow.
Really?
That's awesome.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's really great.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yay! We have to get Ryot to come to our expo, our conference in the summer.
I'm trying to get the guys back up here. We did the big lift expo when it first started.
Yep.
Not that I want to talk about other expos while I'm here. I don't know.
It's okay.
And they were partnered up with Humble and Fume and the whole deal, and that's how
That's maybe where I seen you
that's
guys.
where
That's
you put it.
probably it.
Yeah.
Because we did interview Humble and Fume quite a bit.
Right.
So yeah, that's where I'm thinking I seen you guys.
Well, now the Ryot on their own, right? Are you still on?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, they work with Humble and Fume as a distributor.
Right.
But Ryot is on their own. We're coming up into Canada directly, and to service the wholesale community and right down to the retail, of course.
Cool.
It just works out better when you can service people with customer service and different things
Also
like
works
that.
out better if you consume cannabis. So
Well, that too. Yeah,
I don't know. Like, we keep hearing how people are missing the mark in the community and the culture. Well, if
Well,
you're not in
yes.
it, how could you know?
That's just it.
So
And yeah, I mean, don't tell anybody, but I've probably been smoking since I was 12. You too, likely. I'm thinking, right? And it is a lifestyle.
I
for
tried
me.
at 15, but I didn't inhale.
Right.
Right? Yeah.
A hot knife.
I friggin' inhaled big time, and for a long time. So I also got in a couple wrecks when I was younger and used it more as a medicinal thing back then than I was into taking pills from the doctor. So for me, it's been a big part of my life for all different aspects. My wife, same thing. She works in the cannabis industry. It's our lifestyle. We are just so blessed that it's now legal and we
Right.
don't have to look over our damn shoulders all the time and go
Absolutely.
through all this stereotype stuff that we did when we were younger. And I mean, we appreciate you, Canada, for that. You know what I mean?
Thank you
Thanks
for
a
that.
lot. Yeah,
Yes, legalization is a good thing. I mean, it's not
Absolutely.
perfect, but we're
getting there.
getting there, and
We're
we're
getting
happy
there.
with that
Yeah.
start.
As long as we don't get the wrong people manipulating the rules and regulations as we go here.
Right.
If they keep it fairly liberal, and I don't want to use that as a political term, but we got to be open.
It's the green room. You can say whatever
yeah,
you want.
Yeah, we got to be open about the industry, and like I say, there's room for everybody to come in here and do what they're doing, and work together and be a community.
Community. Thanks, John from Ryot.
Hold on one
Green
second.
Goddess.
Hold
Wait.
on one second.
Derek's
Hold on.
interrupting.
All right.
So if
Uh-oh.
somebody has a dispensary or a shop and they want to carry Ryot, how should they get a hold of you?
They can get a hold of me at, should I say my email address?
Sure.
It's johnkirkham76@gmail.com, and or they can just come on to Instagram and look me up.
I follow you everywhere.
Yeah,
I know who you freaking are.
I know. I know who you are.
I know who you are.
Yeah. So or
And Green Goddess.
the Green
If
Goddess.
they want to carry that.
If they want to carry this, they can contact me directly. And if you're a wholesaler, you can get on to bmoveanddistribution.ca. Sign in, no strings attached. We got a plethora of great products coming in there too. That's going to just supply shops for the products that their consumers are needing. This is a risk-free one right here, and this does nothing but make you money. So put it on your shelf. It's a Canadian product.
It works. It works.
It works
So
really well. Thank you,
Yes,
Jackie.
it works.
It works, and that's how
That's
I sell
amazing.
it too. Yeah.
I got really freaked out. I read something about the orange stuff I used all the time, and
Right.
then I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
oh,
what-
oh,
yeah.
when
I'm
I
not using
started
that
buying
anymore. I'm
that.
using the Green Goddess.
Thank you,
Yeah.
man. Thank you.
And I
And the last thing is, if you have another product and you want sales for that product, this is your man.
Yeah. I'll
You
hook
know,
you up.
so contact us for
pusher.
that too.
I'm the
your
pusher,
guy.
man. Yeah.
I
yeah.
love it.
And that's all out of just love for the herb, man. That's how I came up and always wanted to be a part of this industry when it started, and I just knew it would when I was younger. So, and I appreciate you guys for doing all the things you do. Like, you support it so well. You're
We try.
spreading the word and spreading the love. You've got a super awesome following, and I look forward to working with you in the future too at more events and different things. It'll be great.
Thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it. And take it away, Jackie.
John
you.
from Ryot, thanks for joining us on the Green Room at the Niagara 420 Expo in the seventh wonder of the world, Niagara Falls. This was a fun 420.
Thanks so much, guys. It super was.
Thanks. Peace.